Hi, I'm Irit Lugasi, an investor at Laconia Capital, and we're excited to announce that the Venture Cooperative application for Cohort 10 are closing this Sunday, February 1st. Laconia Capital is an early-stage investor based here in New York, Manhattan. For the past 10 years, we've been investing in pre-seed and seed investments in B2B software companies. We look for smart founders who are building must-have technologies in mission-critical industries. Mission-critical industries include fintech, prop tech, climate tech, and more even healthcare operations, but we really follow the founders and where they take us. The Venture Cooperative is a program run by Laconia and is designed to be the most accessible on-ramp to VC. Launched in 2021, it is access to education in a community completely free of charge. We created the Venture Cooperative because central to our mission is increasing access and diversity into the space. We tried internship program, but those are not scalable. You end up losing the people after 8 weeks, and you don't really get to engage so much with them. The Venture Cooperative is a way for us to create a free program that will allow for an on-ramp into the industry that is known to be historically quite opaque. So I think it gives a real opportunity to really see behind the scenes without being in it, and that is something that is part of us giving back. But of course, also for Laconia, having the Venture Cooperative increases our surface. Unlike what others might think in the industry, we don't think we already know all the talented founders. So for us to be able to reach talented founders where they are, the Venture Cooperatives make it easier for them if they want to reach us, learn about us, and get in touch. We've had more than 1,500 fellows run through the program from 30 countries in the world, and 80% of them come from diversified groups. Fellows have gone to create their own funds and startup communities, joined VC roles, became LPs at funds, and even created the Venture Cooperative program for the European market. The program runs twice a year and lasts 6 weeks. It gives the fellows access to understanding how a venture fund works and learn everything about early stage investing. The curriculum includes 6 sessions that covers fundamentals of early stage investing. Everything from how to build an investment thesis, how to source for deals, how do you do due diligence, how do you offer support for founders, and even a live sneak view into our own investment thesis. The fellowship includes both the education part, where fellows get to join meetings with us for 6 weeks. Each session takes an hour. That's the education part. They join the global community through a platform that we manage, and they have lifetime access to it. But really the interesting part is that the fellows get an opportunity to shadow investment meetings, to offer deals in the pipeline, to have LP commitments into our own funds without the heavy commitments minimum. And if we invest in an opportunity that came from a fellow, they also get an upside in the fund. In addition to education and community, they also get mentorship. We offer office hours throughout the sessions. We also invite guest speakers, and we give opportunities to participate in whatever exciting projects are happening at the time at Laconia. There is no one profile that fits the Venture Cooperative. We've had Venture Cooperatives who are founders, people who aspire to break into the VC space, people who want to make angel investing, people who want to learn about how to build their own fund, people who want to make LP investing as well as a lot of career transitioner people who are trying to navigate this new industry, not necessarily knowing that they want to be an investor, but are very curious about the ecosystem. One should apply to the Venture Cooperative if they are really curious about the venture ecosystem, they have curiosity to learn, and they're able to take initiatives. Because the program is not prescriptive. This is not helping you get a job in venture. This is basically mitigating the gap between being inside the industry and outside the industry, offering you the knowledge so that you then decide what to do with that. For full details about the Venture Cooperative, you can go to theventurecooperative.org and you'll find information about the curriculum and how to apply. Application deadline is February 1st, this Sunday. So please make sure to put your application before. There's a few questions just trying to gauge your experience and your interest in the space. But even if you miss February 1st, applications are on a rolling basis and we run the program twice a year. We look forward to meeting you.